Hey folks, the Meta Quest 3S, Meta's latest mixed reality headset, is poised to replace the high-end Quest Pro as the company's flagship device, but at a fraction of the price, with the Quest 3S launching for under £300 compared to the eye-watering £999 price tag of the now-discontinued Quest Pro. Let's break down the key differences and see if the pricier Quest Pro justifies its hefty cost. The Meta Quest 3S is available for pre-order ahead of its October 15th launch, coming in two storage options, 128 and 256 gigs, with a starting price of £289. The Quest Pro, which debuted in 2022, was a major step forward in VR and mixed reality at the time, featuring advanced technologies like face and eye tracking, retailing for £999 in a single 256GB variant. As of late September 2024, however, Meta announced the discontinuation of the Quest Pro, making it available only while stocks last. One of the standout features of the Quest Pro is its face and eye tracking technology, a feature not found on the Quest 3S. This can be particularly advantageous in social applications like Meta Horizon, where subtle facial cues enhance communication. While this feature offers a more realistic and human-like interaction in VR, it has a limited scope. For the experience to work effectively, the person you're communicating with must also be using a Quest Pro. In terms of display performance, the Quest 3S surprises by offering a higher refresh rate of 90 to 120 Hz, providing smoother and more fluid graphics, ideal for fast-paced VR experiences. In contrast, the Quest Pro is capped at 90 Hz, making it inferior in this regard compared to both the Quest 3S and even other headsets like the Quest 2 and PSVR 2. This gives the 3S an edge in terms of visual performance, despite its lower price point. When it comes to battery life, both headsets are rated for around 2.5 hours of use, though the Quest Pro houses a slightly larger 5,348 mAh battery compared to the 4,324 mAh battery in the Quest 3S. In practice, we found the Quest Pro's battery life to be underwhelming for its premium price. The Quest 3S may also offer a similar battery life, though we haven't tested it yet to confirm Meta's claims. Charging is another area where the two devices differ. The Quest Pro includes a convenient charging dock for both the headset and controllers, while the Quest 3S relies on a simpler USB-C connection for headset charging, and its controllers are powered by replaceable AAA batteries, which will need to be swapped out periodically. Tracking technology also sets these two headsets apart. The Quest Pro features self-tracking controllers, which means they don't need to be in sight of the headset to function properly. The Quest 3S, on the other hand, uses computer vision and machine learning for tracking, which requires the controllers to be within the headset's field of view to maintain accuracy. While the Quest 3S may lack the Pro's advanced tracking tech, its system is still more than adequate for most everyday VR experiences. One significant upgrade in the Quest 3S is its processor. While the Quest Pro is powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Plus Gen 1 chipset from 2022, the Quest 3S is equipped with the newer Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 CPU from 2023. This newer chipset promises better performance, power efficiency, and thermal management. In our testing of the full-featured Meta Quest 3, which uses the same XR2 Gen 2 chip, we found the performance to be impressive, and we expect similar results from the Quest 3S. In conclusion, the Meta Quest 3S appears to be an excellent budget-friendly option with cutting-edge features, particularly its high refresh rate and powerful chipset. It seems well-suited for anyone looking to experience VR without breaking the bank. The Quest Pro, while offering advanced features like face and eye tracking, may no longer justify its steep price, especially with its discontinuation and the rising capabilities of the Quest 3S. If you're interested in the latest in mixed reality technology and can live without the face and eye tracking features, the Quest 3S is the clear winner in terms of value for money. However, if you prioritize social VR interactions and want the added realism of facial expression tracking, the Quest Pro might still hold some appeal, if you can find it. Thanks for watching. If you liked this comparison, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.